Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stream anything onto your TV. So obviously it has to be a smart TV. So either you have a smart TV or you have a Amazon Fire Stick hooked up to it, a Roku, or in my case, I have an Nvidia Shield. I bought this Nvidia Shield about a year ago and it's still running strong. I'm going to leave a link in the description where I bought it from. Feel free to get one. I have the first generation, so I'll leave a description for the first gen and the second gen. Obviously, one is cheaper and all the features, but I'll do a video about my first gen and why I like it and all the cool features it has that I use on a daily basis. So, anything you want to stream on your phone could be seen on your TV, and I will show you how. First things first, you need to be both on the same Wi-Fi. So, this is on the same Wi-Fi as my TV, as my Shield. And you are going to scroll this down and look for this icon called Smart View. So Smart View is basically going to project it. Samsung changed their name from Screen Mirroring to Smart View a couple phones ago. I'm not sure when. So if you have an older phone, it should say mirroring. Now it shows up my Shield and it automatically connects. So whatever's on my phone is on my Shield. And it's projecting to my TV. I use this feature every day, mostly for my Showbox app. So I hit Showbox. Make sure you don't click on those ads. And it's playing a video. So let me show you from the beginning. So I clicked on Showbox. And if I open any episode up and hit watch now, it will start showing on my Shield because it's obviously showing anything. And the sound is coming from the TV, not my phone. And if I turn my phone sideways, it'll show sideways. And I'm able to pause, play. You can share pictures if you want. You go on YouTube and just cast YouTube, whatever you want to watch. If you play the video, turn it sideways. It'll go sideways here. And again, all the sound is coming from the TV, not your phone. So that's good. So guys, that's it. That's my video for showing you how to cast anything on your TV. Let me know if you like this video, if you need any help, if you get stuck. I will be doing another video on this Nvidia Shield and why I like it and I think it's the best. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.